Let's start to learn. Alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for iron. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamp. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for piranha. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for telephone. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yoke. Z for zebra.
A for apple. A apple. B for banana. B banana. C for cat. C cat. D for dinosaur. D dinosaur. E for elephant. E elephant. F for fox. F fox. G for giraffe. G giraffe. N. H for hippo. H hippo. I for ice cream. I ice cream. J for jellyfish. J jellyfish. K for kangaroo. K kangaroo. L for lion. L lion. M for monkey. M monkey. N for nest. N nest. O for all. O all. P for penguin. P penguin. Q for coil. Q, coil. R for rabbit. R, rabbit. S for sheep. S, sheep. T for turtle. T, turtle. U for unicorn. U, unicorn. V for vampire. V, vampire. W for whale. W, whale. X for xylophone. X, xylophone. Y for yak. Y, yak. Z for zebra. Z, zebra.
A for apple. A, apple. B for baby. B, baby. C for cat. C, cat. D for dog. D, dog. E for elephant. E, elephant. F for frog. F, frog. G for goat. G, goat. H for hen. H, hen. I for ice cream. I, ice cream. J for juice. J, juice. K for kangaroo. K, kangaroo. L for lion. L, loin. M for monkey. M, monkey. N for nest. N, nest. O for all. O, all. P for parrot. P, parrot. Q for queen. Q, queen. R for rabbit. R, rabbit. S for sparrow. S, sparrow. T for tiger. T, tiger. U for umbrella. U, umbrella. V for van. V, van. W for wings. W, wings. X for xylophone. X, xylophone. Y for yolk. Y, yolk. Z for zebra. Z, zebra.